Gardening is often about planning ahead, and although this year is not finished, if you want to have a nice display next spring, biennial plants raised very cheaply from seed offer you a solution to livening your borders up, increasing pollinator activity, and popular plants like foxglove, very easily sown, wallflower as well, and campanulas are also excellent plants. Now, the best way to sow them is to ignore some of the advice in gardening books that talks about sowing them under glass. Don't. Sow them outdoors. You won't need a glass house like that, and they'll do very well. Also, I would sow them straight into a pot of compost or a seed tray rather than preparing the soil. The heavy Herefordshire clay that we all have to battle is very difficult to get a seed bed out of. So if we sow them now, the plants will germinate and the small plants will overwinter, and the following spring there will be a mass of colour. So it's a very cheap fix for putting a lot of colour in your border.